Hi everyone, my name is Ice and welcome to Tweetpush. Tweetpush is a powerful marketing tool that can help you get endless free traffic from Twitter. It can help you become a successful online marketer. I am going to show you how Tweetpush works. Now after launching, it will lead you to the dashboard. And it will show you all of the segments and sections that you can utilize. Now on the top right portion, we have scheduled tweets. You will see the tweets you have already set to post for later. It will show all of it here on this box representing by a pie graph. Now let's go to the active campaigns and accounts. On this box, you will be able to see the exact number of active campaigns you have created. Thanks for watching this video. Catch us in the next one where we will be focusing on each section one by one. See you!